Hey guys, in this video we're going to be refactoring our infinite scroll example with Stimulus.js and replacing our implementation with the intersection observer API. Now this is something I didn't even know about till one of you guys mentioned it, and basically our previous implementation was listening to the scroll event. So every time you're scrolling, this is going to be firing events in the browser, and we're listening to that and doing calculations to see where our pagination is and relevant to or related to the browser's viewport. Now the viewport is the window that you're looking at in the current section of the page that you're looking at. Now that is quite a lot of scroll events that will be fired when you're doing this, and we're doing quite a bit of calculations. So if you're doing too much of that, then you might be actually taxing the CPU on the phone or the browser or your laptop or whatever